Hello students, welcome to Informatics Practices. In this video, you will learn how to find the sum of squares of first 100 natural numbers. This is based on the practical solutions for class 11th Informatics Practices. So let's start. I'll explain the code first, then we will see how it works practically. First of all, what is natural number? Natural numbers are starting from 1. Let's start with the code. So initially s variable will contain 0 value and a for loop is running which will run from 1 to 100 plus 1, and each time we are multiplying I value by I itself, and will be added to s value, and s and the multiplication and the addition will be stored into s variable. So whatever the last value of s will be overwritten by the new value of the expression. Okay, so come to its explanation part. I is running from 1 to 100, and s will contain 0 initially. So as you can see on the screen, so 0 plus I multiplied by I, that is 1 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 1. Now next time I value will become 2. Now s will contain 1, so 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 5. Now next time I value will be equal to 3, so which is equals to 5 plus 3 multiplied by 3. So in this way this loop will run till 100, and when program execution will come out from this loop, s variable will contain the sum of square of first 100 natural numbers. So let's see how it works practically. So same code I have written over here, and I'm running this code. Now I'm getting output sum of square of first 100 natural number is 338350. So in this way we will find sum of squares of first 100 natural numbers. Thank you.